You just logged into ServiceNow for the first time. You're probably looking at a lot of menus and wondering, where do I start? ServiceNow has multiple interfaces because it does so many different things. The key is knowing which one is built for what you're trying to do. So follow along and you'll know exactly where to go for what you need to build. When you first log in, you land in the Next Experience UI. Think of it as your home base. From here, you'll jump into the specialized UIs built for the different types of work. My recommendation, use Next Experience to get to those specialized interfaces. That's what it's designed for. Quick tip, pin the All menu to the left side of your screen. This menu is your main navigation for almost everything in the platform, and having it visible will help while you're getting comfortable. All right, so where should you actually go as a developer or creator? You've got three main studios to know about. First, Creator Studio. This is for no-code creators. If you want to build apps without writing code, this is your spot. Second, ServiceNow Studio. This is for platform developers who want a low-code environment. Most of you should probably start here. Studio gives you a multi-tab experience that makes you way more productive. You can work across application scopes without breaking your stride. Third, the ServiceNow IDE. This is for pro coders who just don't feel complete without import statements. If you want the full-on development environment, this is it. And here's the cool part. Once you're in one of these studios, we make it really easy to switch between them. So you can move from Studio to IDE and back without losing your place. While you technically can do development without using these studios, and some things will require it, I highly recommend taking advantage of them. They're designed to make you more productive. Now let's talk about the interfaces you might be building for or customizing, starting with agent experiences. First, Workspaces. These are purpose-built interfaces for agents to do their work. Think Agent Workspace for ITSM, Service Operations Workspace, that kind of thing. Workspaces include all the tools that agents, case managers, and help desk professionals need to find, research, and resolve issues. Different workspaces are designed for different roles and issue types. IT folks use the ITSM workspace, customer service teams use the CSM workspace, and you get the point. If you're building workspace pages or custom Next Experience pages, you'll use UI Builder. UI Builder lets you create pages for workspaces and build custom experiences for process users. Then there's the requester experiences. Service Portal is the ideal interface for requesters. You might experience it through Employee Center, the Business Portal, or other interfaces built on Service Portal. It gives you complete control over the design, making it feel more like a public website. Think intranet sites. Now, you might be wondering, UI Builder or Service Portal? Here's the quick answer. Service Portal is for requesters. UI Builder is for process users. Service Portal is older tech built on AngularJS, but it's still very relevant and widely used. And finally, mobile. ServiceNow has native mobile apps for different audiences. Now Mobile is for requesters, submitting requests, checking status, that sort of thing. ServiceNow Agent is for agents fulfilling requests and working processes on the go. And if you need something custom, Mobile App Builder lets you build your own mobile apps on the ServiceNow platform. So that's the ServiceNow UI landscape. You'll land in Next Experience, but you'll do most of the work in one of the studios, Creator Studio, ServiceNow Studio, or the IDE. You might build agent experiences using Workspaces and UI Builder, create requester experiences with Service Portal, or develop mobile apps. And one more tool to add to your toolkit, the ServiceNow community. It's where you'll find guides, discussions, and developers sharing what they're building. As you learn and grow on the platform, you'll want it bookmarked. We've got more videos coming covering data modeling, security, and the rest of the fundamentals. So subscribe, check out the community, and let's keep building.